What up, y'all? Tim Z here, back at it again, like you can always expect. Know what I mean? And today, I'm back at you with an unboxing. Just an unboxing. Nothing else for this video, okay? So we'll get right to it. SC31T rechargeable flashlight. Alright? You got the Sofirn box. The typical box that Sofirn lights come in. Alright? Let's get into it. Let's get this out of the way first. SC31T manual. I'll show the manual. I know a lot of people don't, but just in case you lost your manual, you're welcome. Pause that. And just in case you need other languages. There you go. Get this out of the way. I'm not going to read this. So the SC31T is supposed to be a light that is a little bit more simple than the other Sofirns and complex Android operating system UI lights. It's supposed to be something a little more simple, so you don't have to deal with the complexity of the Android, which is kind of hard to learn. You gotta have the flow chart next to you, honestly. So here you go. You got the charging cable, very handy to have. Little cord lanyard, which I may or may not be using on this light. Okay, this light is nice size. I want to say this is about the same size as the Phoenix PD36R, something like that. It got a tail cap switch. I'm sure they have a little piece of film in there, so it cannot turn on right now, and I'm correct about that. So let's open it up. Oh, and it does come with a battery. I was almost thinking it did not come with a battery because it felt kind of light, guys. Honestly, it felt a little light. I was like, oh wait, I don't have my battery with me. Alright, so I took out the film. Let's get this out of here. Oh, that was bright. Alright. Okay. I'm going to guess that this tail cap goes straight to turbo mode because that was bright. Ooh, alright. Tail cap. Only one mode here. Let's see if you can change it. Alright, so that turns on. Okay, it's ramping. Alright, let's see if it has memory. Okay, guys, this has memory over here. Okay, that means it needs to be charged. Oh, it's about to die. So this turns on the light at whatever setting you had on before. Right now we got the ramping mode, and the red light indicates that the battery needs to be charged. So if I hold this light over here on the side of the body, it's stepping up. That's super bright, guys. I can't even look at this white background. Alright, let's double tap. Alright, that's super bright. It doesn't even get hot that fast, guys. Honestly, I had many lights get hot really fast. This is not one of them. This is super bright. What's the max lumens on this? I'm sorry, guys. I didn't look through. I think it's about 2,000 lumens. Let me see if I can see it through the instructions. Let me see what double tap does here. Turbo mode, high mode. Okay, and that's really nice, guys. Really simple light to use. As you can see, it's simple. All right. on, and then you change your brightness here. So it's just a basic light, guys. This is super nice. It's really simple, you know. This feels like an old light, kind of simple. You know, old lights don't have any kind of like complex UI. And this is really nice. You can keep it on turbo mode if you're walking in the dark in a neighborhood you don't feel safe in, and someone appears out of nowhere. Straight to high mode, right in the eyes. They're not gonna be able to see in the dark. They'll be seeing spots for a while if you did that. This is nice, guys. Nice size. You know, it's about the same size as a Kershaw Natrix. This is a small one, copper. It's much smaller, actually. Guys, you cannot go wrong with this. Simple. All right. So let's see what you guys got here. Eco mode, low mode, medium, high, turbo. You got moonlight and a strobe, SOS, and a beacon. 18650 battery, which it came with. Guys, you can get this light for under 40 bucks. You know, around 35 bucks, 30 bucks. Pretty sure these go on sale also, you know, 30 bucks, around 30 to 35 bucks. And you can get a light like this. You know what I mean? Let's show the light up close. Charging port right here. Every Sofirn almost has this. Just gotta massage it in when you open it, alright? SC31T. This is a nice one, guys. You know, you don't have to pay a lot of money to get a nice light. Honestly, a lot of these lights are made in the same country or same area, same factory, some of them, but they do similar things and they have similar power. They similar battery. It got nice grip and texturing too. You know, some of these brands, they were a little bit rough in the beginning, but Sofirn always was smooth. But I have to say, this is even smoother than the other ones that I've handled in the past. They really improved. It's really slim, guys. It'll fit in your pocket easily or in your bag. Really simple to use. Just grab and go. It's not too hard to use. It's simple. It's light. It's bright. So guys, that's going to be it for today, all right? Give me a follow on Instagram. TimZUSA. You know, send me a message. If you guys want to see more flashlight, send me a message, leave a comment, like this video, and I'll do more flashlight videos. Until next time, Tim Z out.